Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of 26.96 dollars, and we have seen there is a continuous upside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, it has already made a high of around $2142. We can see looking at this particular level, and the all-time high is around 2149, and chances was very high at this particular level that it can touch this particular level, but it didn't sustain, and we have seen a fall, and this fall has moved towards a level of 2124 around. That is where the people who have entered this particular level might have lose their trade. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Overall trend is upside until that it is very close to it, a level of 2149. So chances can be high that if the price started going over level of 2132, look at the dollar index also, you will see clearly that dollar index is trading at a level of $103.6, which I have already mentioned you that chances can be high that if the price started moving below a level of 103.6, a further fall we can see. Okay, and now it is trading below this particular level, so chances can be high a further fall we can see in the price of dollar index, which will in turn increase the price of gold. Okay, so what we can see, there is a higher probability that if the price keeps sustaining this particular level, a further upside we can see in the price of gold. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards a level of $2130. Okay, and from there it can move further higher towards a level of 2140. Chances are very high that if the price sustain above level of 2131, a further upside towards 2140 we can see, and if that sustain, then we can see it will touch a level of 2149. Okay, it is on the device chart, you have to understand, because 15 minutes charts and all there shows a good volatility. Okay, so you have to keep your SL as per that on a device chart, so that you can save your capital, and once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit so you can save your profit. Okay, so once started going out 2.49, you can keep this as an SL and hold towards a level of 2160 by trailing by $5, or so that your profit should be saved till 2149. But as I have already explained you, market is always uncertain, so you always have to remember to trail your SL, and by putting your SL you will be saving your capital. So suppose if the price did sustain, it can come down towards its next support, a level of $2124, and from there it can move further low, and we can see it can go towards a strong support of 2120. We can see a bounce back from 2120, but if it didn't sustain, it can move further low, and from there a probability of going towards $21 will be there, and if that level move further low, then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $2089. Keep that in mind that on the 15 minutes chart it will be different, so you have to keep your SL if you want a long hold for a longer, that means 1 or 2 days. So because this is a device SL, so if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 2089, and once started moving below a level of 2089, then a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2080. Okay, keep that in mind. As soon as started falling below that particular zone, we will see it will fall below a level of 2080, and from there a probability of going towards 2065. Okay, I'll show you on the chart of 15 minutes also, so that you will not get confused how the price of gold has moved. So look at this particular trend. See, it is now it is showing downtrend. So as soon as the price started moving all above a level of 2127, then we can see it can cross a level of $2132, and then from there a further upside towards 2132. As soon as it started going up that level, we will see towards a level of 2132, and from there a level of 2139, and it can touch its all time. But if it started moving below a level of around 2124, then a further fall we can see. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID.